Hello Sunflowers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm super grateful to have you, and if you're new, welcome to this community which believes to spread more love, more kindness and more self-awareness to this world. And today we are going to talk about birthdays because I just celebrated my birthday this month and it got me thinking, how can one celebrate birthdays differently? And I read somewhere recently that it is more about the moments and less about the days. So it's about creating memorable days and moments, So let's just talk about the things that one can do, starting with the decorations. Okay, so the plastic we use for our birthdays, the balloons and banners, it's something that is not worth it because it is all use and throw, So instead you can go to a beautiful location which has a natural decoration, or you can rearrange your room, just change the setting of your bed and change the curtains and get yourself small plants to decorate your room, or get some LED lights, just make your room pretty for your birthday, which is sustainable, which will stay for a very long time and which will actually make you feel good in your own room. Another thing that you can do is actually make a list of the things that you have learned in the last year. How was this current age for you? And then make a list of the things that you want in the future, like in the coming year. And it can really be simple things like, how do you want your health to be like? How do you want your finances to look like? Or what are the new practices that you want to include in your life now? Simple things, but it will actually help you introspect, and trust me that setting goals on birthdays is more powerful than New Year resolutions. So give that a try. Another thing which is very special is get your breakfast in bed. It's so much fun, so cute, and ask your loved ones to make you feel special that way, that okay, I want my breakfast in bed tomorrow because it's my birthday tomorrow. And it just gets you in the birthday celebration mood early in the morning, and it's quite cute, so you can give this a try. Another thing is charity, or planting a tree, or celebrating a small bit of your birthday at an orphanage or an old age home. I haven't done this yet, but I really look forward doing something out of this, maybe planting a tree or donating something. But yeah, I think it actually gives more meaning to your birthday because you're doing something for someone else on your birthday, and it actually makes you feel more content. The next point is something which not everybody will like, but I personally enjoy cutting pastries more than cakes now, because I feel that if you're celebrating a birthday in a small setting, it just goes to a waste, or it just gets spread all over your face, which is something that I don't like anymore. And I feel like it's waste of food, and I just don't like the cream anymore. So this birthday I actually cut a blueberry cheesecake for myself, and you can buy different pastries for others according to their taste, So it's better that way. It gets consumed entirely and you just get to eat something that is your favorite. Another thing to do is buying yourself something. Buy something for your birthday that you have really wanted for a long time. Save your money for that time, So yeah, I think it's a very small step, but it's very meaningful and it actually makes you feel special. Another point to not be taken for granted is your loved ones, It's the relationships that make your day special and your life special. So spend your day with your loved ones and just, get involved with them. That is what makes birthdays really special. Another point is that spend your birthday in places that really make you happy. So if you love dogs, spend time in dog cafes, and if you love games, then go to a gaming zone, do some bowling or play air hockey or whatever you love. In fact, I would have loved to celebrate my birthday in a basketball court, to be honest. So yeah, just do things that you really love to do and do them on your birthdays. The last point is very simple but very important, that look good on your birthdays. It actually helps you feel more special. And I'm not saying that you have to dress up on your birthday entirely, especially if you're staying at home and you have no plans and you couldn't care less about how you look. Just wear something new. That is what I have started doing, that I keep new casual clothes reserved for my birthdays. So you can try this out, to feel special and feel that, okay, I'm wearing something new. It's something special today. It's my birthday. So yeah, these are the points that I could come up with, and if there are more things that one can do differently on birthdays, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you don't miss a notification every time I post a video. And yeah, that is it for today. So I'll see you next time. Till then, lots of love, lots of warmth and lots of blessings. Peace. Bye.